A glossary is a list of important words found at the back of a book, especially nonfiction books like science or social studies texts. It gives you the meaning of tricky or new words, how to spell the word, sometimes how to pronounce it too. Glossaries help readers understand what they're reading by explaining the vocabulary used in that book. How is a glossary different from a dictionary? A dictionary has lots of words from the whole language. A glossary has just the key words from that book. So if you're reading a book about animals, the glossary might include words like mammal, herbivore, camouflage, but not words like pizza or playground. How do you use a glossary? Look for the glossary, usually at the very back of the book. It might just be a page or two long. Find the word you're curious about. Glossaries are in ABC order, just like a dictionary or thesaurus. Read the definition to help you understand what the word means. Go back to where you saw the word in the book and reread the sentence. Now it will make more sense. Why are glossary skills important? Using a glossary helps you understand nonfiction books better, learn new vocabulary, get ready for tests and projects, become a more independent reader, and best of all, you don't have to ask someone what a word means. You can look it up all by yourself. Now it's your turn. Can you find a glossary in one of your books at home or school? What's one new word you learned from it? Thanks for joining us. For more information and resources related to the glossary, head to twinkl.com.